Today our friend Excella is going to compare the MorphReps toolbox versus FBDI for creating suppliers. She's going to upload 25 suppliers, addresses, contacts, a few attachments and much more. Let's see how she goes. The same data set is going to be used for both products. Excella is going to first prepare the data in the spreadsheet, that data then to be uploaded into Oracle to create suppliers. Excella is going to first work on the data preparation. On the top left you'll see MorphReps, on the bottom right you see FBDI. In the case of the MorphReps spreadsheet, she copies the whole data set of the raw data. However, with FBDI she just copies the header data. So by copying the whole data set, with MorphReps she can just move the columns across. She's already prepared the supplier header information with MorphReps. If you look to the right, you can see with FBDI she's just trying to find the right column. Because there's so many columns and you can't remove them, she's got to scroll across. She's finally got the header done, and now she has to open up another spreadsheet to do the addresses. If you look across to MorphReps, you can see the contacts, contact addresses, classifications, sites, and even the header attachments are all done, with only the line attachments to go. The FBDI, it's only the header done, and she's only partway through the addresses. So let's look at the preparation results. If we compare ERP Cloud Toolbox with Oracle, the supplier header took 36 seconds versus 1 minute 12. Addresses 22 seconds versus 2 minutes and 13. Contacts at 16 seconds for Oracle 55. And as you can see from the rest of the results, it's overwhelmingly in favour of MorphReps. So if we take a look at the totals, you can see MorphReps is quicker than FBDI. Now Excella has prepared her data, she's going to upload it. With MorphReps it's a simple one-step process. As part of the validation, MorphReps will tell Excella exactly where the problems are. She can use a user form to fix the issue, or she can just use standard Excel to overwrite the value and simply press upload again. If we look at FBDI, Excella is still loading the interface. Excella has to run 3 different requests for each data section of the suppliers in FBDI. And in just under 3 minutes 20, it's all completed with MorphReps. Just like when Excella did the data preparation, the upload process is miles ahead with MorphReps. In fact, FBDI didn't even complete the supplier header upload and MorphReps had already finished. So let's take a look at all the numbers put together by Excella for us. Worksheet count 1 versus 8 different worksheets. Preparation time 1 minute 55 versus 8 minutes 54. Upload time 3:19 versus 53 minutes and 13. That's 5 minutes versus an hour. That's basically 12 times faster at least, and I didn't even take into account error interface fixing, changing batch names, etc. for the errors. With MorphReps you can download directly from Oracle all the data in one worksheet. There's advanced validation and completely flexible worksheet layouts. Thanks for watching this video and good luck with your supplier creation and maintenance.